To ensure the security of your WordPress website's admin panel, you can limit the login number, or even block certain users to log in. I am Alex from Essential Web Apps. And we make videos on WordPress, website and social media strategy, web design, and development. To see our regularly uploaded videos, please hit the subscribe buttons and click the bell icon for notification. Before we start the process, let's try to log in with the wrong user credential first. And it says the username is not registered. Let's try again. It says unknown email address. Now, let's log in. To limit the login, we will use a plugin. And, as you see, it has more than 1 million active installations. It is a freemium plugin, so you have to pay for more advanced features. We will cover the free features here, which is also very good. As you can see, it already counted 2 failed attempts before we install the plugin. You can add the GDPR compliance with custom messages. You will get a lockout notification if anyone tries to attempt login more than the preset number. You can set the number from here. You can whitelist or blacklist certain users from here. Now let's try it. If I try a blacklisted user, it will show too many attempts. If we try a wrong user, it shows the number of attempts on that day with that username. And, eventually, it will lock you out and notify the admin. So there you go. If you like this video, please like and share. You want a premium WordPress theme for your blogging website, please see the description. And, I will see you in the next video.